East Jackson district, who began in William Nagar, East Jackson. Jylla was appointed as the science and mathematics teacher at Banding Dobar Government of Primary School on the 17th of April. Timothy Firewater Manga has reflected her deep commitment to social development, education and faith. With 28 years of dedicated service in education, the segment Sangma has been serving as I have the honor to invite our respected Additional Chief Secretary.
I am very proud and happy to say that before I begin my speech, I was the son of a teacher. My father also was a higher primary school headmaster. I know the importance of a teacher. I know the value of a teacher. I know the commitment of teacher. But in anybody's personalities, two personalities' role are very, very important. First role is mother. Second role is teacher. Second part is teacher. Till the age of 5, if at all anybody teaches which is bad and which is good, what is done and what should not be done, for what we have to live in this society, and what should be our future goal, aim. Anybody at that is going to teach, none other than mother. And second, after 5, when we come to the school, the second role, second important role, that is teacher's role. In that way, if at all we think, I make it very clear here, in case of a child, in any case of anybody's life, if at all a mother, not only should not be a mother, if at all she is going to be a teacher in case of her child, one side she is a mother, in the side she is going to be a teacher, molding entire life, thoughts and thinking and way of living, that child's life is going to be brighter. Second role is a teacher. If at all only they are going to teach and they are not going to give the love where we get it from the mother. If at all a teacher is going to be fulfill the role of a mother also, that love, that affection towards the child, one side she is a teacher, the other side she is going to be a mother, she is going to fulfill that part also, that child's life going to be brighter. So in that way, always I respect two personalities in anybody's life. If at all I am able to come to this level in my life, two personalities are very important. One is the role of mother, and the other thing is role of a teacher.